Hanoka, wake up.
What? What? Oh, it's you. Why are you waking me up? It better be important.
It is. I have a surprise for you.
They don't breathe and they don't sleep, but for $4,000, these robots will look you in the eye and act like they've known you forever. Robots aren't just tools anymore. They're becoming partners. And Hana doll just launched an ultra-realistic line of female robots. So lifelike, people can't decide if it's genius or terrifying.
For me, TMSUK is almost the same. I would even say sometimes better with a robot.
And here's where it gets stranger. The company behind this is Hana doll, and their creation is called Hanoka. Standing 167 centimeters tall, she isn't a typical machine. Her body is molded from medical-grade silicone, giving the skin a smooth, flexible, almost human feel. Beneath that, a metal frame allows countless poses while keeping her balanced. Price varies from a few $100s to several thousand, averaging around $4,000. Online reactions exploded. Some praised it as the future of companionship, while others warned it blurs boundaries between human connection and machine. Brilliant innovation, or a step too far. But wait, it's about to get even more surprising. Not all humanoid robots are built for companionship. Some are being trained to literally shape the next generation of doctors. At the start of 2025, TMSUK, working with Kenai Medical University, revealed a humanoid robot that can simulate medical patients with shocking accuracy. This isn't just some voice program. It runs on generative AI, capable of producing natural, varied responses just like real patients would. It's designed to test future doctors under pressure, nervous, angry, or even confused patients. The robot can shift its behavior, language, and tone instantly. With support for 57 languages, it's adaptable for classrooms around the globe. And after every session, students get a breakdown of their strengths, weaknesses, and the areas they fumbled. Educators called it a game changer, saying it sharpens communication and builds confidence before anyone ever faces a real patient. And here's the part that blew my mind. Nvidia teamed up with a Norwegian startup called 1X Technologies, and together they created something called Neo Gamma. This isn't your average household helper. Inside its head runs the Isaac Groot N1, basically Nvidia's next-gen AI brain. The difference shows in how it moves. Neo Gamma doesn't shuffle around like a clunky machine. It can squat down to pick up objects, balance perfectly even on uneven ground, and swing its arms with a natural human-like rhythm. But what really gets people talking is what it can do. We're talking about vacuuming the floor, folding laundry, brewing tea, and cleaning windows, all with precision that would make a perfectionist jealous. It communicates too, not just with speech, but through body language and even glowing LED earrings that change color to show emotions. Blue might mean calm, red might mean busy, and so on. And when it's tired, it finds the couch and plugs itself in. Imagine coming home, and your robot roommate has already cleaned the house. Would you be cool with that, or creeped out? Just when it seems robots have stopped invading personal spaces, they're now entering businesses. Meet Agibot A2, a 175 centimeter, 55 kilogram humanoid built as a sales assistant. Imagine walking into a dealership and being greeted by this machine, moving with 49 degrees of freedom for a surprisingly natural feel. Agibot isn't a static mannequin. It travels up to 7 kilometers per hour, lifts 5 kilograms with one hand, and, most impressively, reads expressions. Cameras and sensors detect whether you're curious, hesitant, or annoyed, and adjust their tone to match. Tested in Chinese car dealerships, it explained features, answered questions, and mirrored customer moods. Staff reported lighter workloads and faster sales. It's easy to picture the same tech in banks, hotels, or retail stores. Then comes Mona, designed not for sales but care. Built for household support, it recognizes objects, pours drinks without spilling, and assists wheelchair users. Powered by large language models, it understands context, maintains eye contact, and uses a gentle, empathetic tone, an approach called emotional design. With 360-degree sensors and adaptive learning, it safely navigates crowded spaces while improving through interaction. Online clips show Mona aiding the elderly and disabled, sparking debate, revolutionary helper or risky dependency. And then there's man's new best friend. Only this one comes with a charging cable. Meet the Hangbot Sirius robotic dog. Unlike those toy robot pets from years back, Sirius is the first trainable AI robotic dog built for families, schools, and even therapy. Its body has 14 flexible joints, giving it lifelike motion. It doesn't just walk. It can run, dance, and even tilt its head with eerie realism. The coolest part? It responds to your voice, your hand, gestures, and even your facial expressions, almost like a real pup learning your moods. Developers made it flexible for both beginners and pros. You can teach it tricks through simple graphical tools, or if you're into coding, program it with Python. That makes Sirius just as much an educational tool as a companion. Futurists see this not just as a robotic pet, but as an emotionally intelligent household companion, cute helper, therapy partner, or digital babysitter. Sirius may be all three in one.
A bricklaying robot has broken its own record, laying 200 bricks in just 1 hour.
Here's where robotics takes a hard left turn into construction sites. The Hadrien X is rewriting the rulebook on building. Instead of crews laying bricks by hand, this beast of a machine can set up to 1,000 bricks an hour without breaking a sweat. It's powered by laser-guided navigation and 3D modeling, meaning it doesn't just stack walls. It builds with pinpoint accuracy. Safer, faster, and more precise than humans. It cuts out accidents and wasted time. The real kicker? It's already been tested on large-scale projects, proving this isn't just a flashy prototype. Plus, developers designed it with sustainability in mind, working alongside eco-friendly materials to support greener construction. Picture an entire building crew replaced by a single robot arm that never complains, never rests, and always hits the mark. The future of construction may not involve hard hats at all. And now let's shoot this story straight off Earth. The Skyfall Drone Carrier isn't just a robot. It's a mobile command center designed to control fleets of drones on Mars. Think about it. Exploring the Red Planet used to take years just to map out small areas. With Skyfall, fleets of drones can cover canyons and valleys in days. That's a speed boost nobody thought possible. But its role goes way beyond exploration. Futurists already see it as the backbone of future colonies, delivering supplies between bases, monitoring habitats, and scouting terrain before humans set foot. Skyfall isn't just expanding exploration speed, it's laying the groundwork for humanity's survival on another planet. Now, not all robots are about companionship or exploration, some are built for pure versatility. Enter the Agile X mobile manipulator. Imagine a rolling platform carrying a robotic arm packed with sensors. With 6 to 7 degrees of freedom and a wrist that can spin 360 degrees, it handles tasks that require both strength and precision. The best part? It's designed to avoid damaging fragile objects. In testing videos, you can actually watch it carefully lifting delicate glassware, something even human workers sometimes fumble. And then there's a robot built for something we all secretly want: faster food delivery. The Pudu D1 is a 4-legged courier, designed to navigate real city streets. It isn't just about walking. Its cargo platform stays perfectly level, even on slopes or uneven sidewalks, making sure your meal doesn't spill. It can carry up to 10 kilograms, and when it arrives, the compartment opens and closes on its own. Fully autonomous, no human required. The robot's sensors help it dodge pedestrians, bikes, and random street clutter. That makes it a glimpse into the future of courier services, where instead of scooters or cars, robotic pets bring dinner straight to your door. This isn't a gimmick. It's setting a new standard for robotic couriers. Imagine entire fleets of these replacing the delivery apps we use every day. Finally, let's push robotics beyond Earth, into deep space. The Century Valkyrie spacecraft concept feels ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Yet, engineers are seriously designing it. Inside, Valkyrie is designed for long-term human survival. Artificial gravity keeps astronauts healthy, hydroponic farms grow food, and advanced life support ensures breathable air and clean water. The ship is also wrapped in shielding to protect against deadly radiation and micrometeoroids during interstellar travel. This isn't just about exploring, it's about colonization, a self-sustaining vessel capable of carrying humans across light years would make humanity an interstellar species. For many, Valkyrie is the bridge between science fiction and reality, the first real step toward living among the stars. From $4,000 female robots to interstellar ships, the future is rushing in faster than we can process. But here's the real question. Are these machines companions, helpers, or replacements? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild stories ahead.